Have you ever found yourself yawning just because someone nearby did? I'm going to reveal the secret behind this surprising phenomenon. There are special cells in our brain that gets activated when we observe someone else doing the same thing. For instance, if you might feel happy when you see someone smile or a bit sad when you watch someone cry. This emotional connection helps us bond with others. Especially important in child development, helping kids learn language, social behavior, even cultural norms by watching and mimicking others. What are these mysterious cells? They are called mirror neurons. Next time you find yourself mirroring someone's emotions or actions, remember your mirror neurons are helping you connect with and understand the world around you.